iba ang tingin sa halaga? Do you value marketing differently because you see money differently? Does this hit close to home? Kasi ganito rin ang kwento ni Matt at saka ni Nilda. No, meron silang cafe and it was a very nice and cozy place. No, yung coffee was amazing. And they have very many loyal morning regulars. So si Matt, gusto niyang gumastos ng 25,000 sa IG influencer marketing. He believed it would bring more younger customers and bagong crowd at higher sales. Pero si Nilda, dahil siya yung cautious one, nagalit siya. 25,000. That's 1 month of supplies. Alam mo ba? Bakit natin ibibigay sa stranger para mag-post ng picture? Itong influencer na to, meron siyang huge following. Even a tiny fraction showing interest would bring in a lot of customers. So true. Pero Nilda was still not convinced. Sabi niya, or baka pwedeng mangyari nga dyan, 0 customers, tapos nawala yung 25,000 natin. Hindi yan madaling kitain, alam mo ba? So, hindi mag-agree yung dalawa. Not because one was smarter, but because they saw the money differently. Si Matt, lumaki siya na entrepreneurial yung parents niya. Kaya para sa kanya, spending on growth felt normal. Risk, part yan ng laro. Si Nilda naman grew up in a household where every peso was saved. So to her, 25,000 was security, hindi yun risk. So they finally sat down with me and I asked them, what's your customer acquisition cost right now? Hindi nila alam. And so I told them the truth. Nako, you are both guessing. Track it first, then decide if 25,000 is expensive or cheap. And they followed my advice. They tracked their current customer acquisition cost and nalaman nila na 180 pesos pala yung per customer through word of mouth. So, kung yung influencer ay nag-bring in ng kahit na 150 customers, it would be worth it, di ba? Kaya sinubukan nila. Nag-work. Pero yung real win, naghinto na sila ng ka-fight, ka-aaway about values, and they started using numbers. Ya anak, ito yung lesson. When partners see money differently, the fight is not about marketing. It's not even about business issues. It's about values. You see, numbers make the decision neutral. Always remember, that's how we are. Business-minded Pinoys.